The reason that we liked it is because of the silver and gold hits in it. It is a zinc forward VMS. It's a volcanogenic massive sulfide camp, so it's a large area, 60-kilometer trend that we have in favorable VMS type geology.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Gary Thompson. He's the CEO of Silver 47 Exploration Corp. And Gary, it's good to see you. How are you today?
I'm doing well, Steve. Good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you as well. Excited to get an update on what the company's up to. For those not familiar, tell them a bit about Silver 47.
Yeah, Silver 47 is a new company. It's newly listed. We're actually about a week into our trading days now, so that's pretty exciting. It's as the name implies, Silver 47, and I guess for the viewers that may not know why 47, well, happens to be the atomic number for silver. So we are focused on yeah, silver, gold. It's an exploration story, but we've got a very solid resource base. So we published a about 170 million silver equivalent ounce resource. It's polymetallic and it's up in Alaska, and we're looking to advance it into as quickly as we can into a development scenario.
Yeah, so that's you're talking about Red Mountain, and in fact, you recently put the results from your drill program. So tell me a bit about what you like about this particular project, more importantly, about those results that you saw.
Yeah, well, the reason we got interested in it was, well, it really ticked the boxes. An asset that's got a resource on it in a stable jurisdiction like Alaska with a pro mining stance, and we got it for a good deal. And we picked it up from a company that was basically on the verge of bankruptcy, got themselves into trouble in on an Australian mine, and so that was our opportunity to get a good deal and a good asset. And the reason that we liked it is because of the silver and gold hits in it. It is a zinc forward VMS. It's a volcanogenic massive sulfide camp, so it's a large area, 60-kilometer trend that we have in favorable VMS type geology. So yeah, polymetallic. It's silver, gold, zinc, copper, lead. So lots of elements in there, and quite high grade. So we're excited. I think the resource is coming in around 336 grams per ton on a silver equivalent basis. So quite high grade, and we think there's lots of room to improve that resource. And obviously, our objective is going to be to grow that resource into a economic, sort of a mine plan.
Yeah, and Gary, off the six holes that you announced, were those meant to try and what were they designed to do, first off? And secondly, highest gold grade ever recorded at the project in that group as well?
Yeah, actually, I was quite surprised. I mean, there were some nice historical gold hits for sure, but 15-gram gold. We had a 2.5 meter that was a 2.5 meter interval that was almost just under 3 kilos on a silver equivalent basis. So quite high silver, and the highest gold 2.5 meters of 15 grams gold, 250 grams silver, plus like 21% lead zinc. So quite rich, all in all, within a broader interval, about 24 meters, just under 500 gram on a silver equivalent basis. So pretty exciting. The plan was really, I mean, this is our first program. We just picked up the property at the end of 23. So 24 was just go out and drill some test holes, confirmation drilling. I mean, there was over $30 million spent, but it spanned, originally it was a 1970s discovery. So a lot of previous work that was done, but first go for us on drilling. So we wanted to just test some of these, silver gold rich areas and see how it holds together. And we were quite impressed with the recoveries that we were able to capture on the drilling. And some of the historical drillings, maybe the recoveries weren't so great. So I think we're impressed by the continuity and the high grade nature of the system. And yeah, we're excited to get back and really advance this project.
Yeah, so that all that data you're taking will sort of go into decisions for 2025 then, and what you're going to do?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we have a pretty good sense of where the resource is, but there's, I think the opportunity that we see in the short term, a lot of the drilling was done quite broadly spaced. So we think just, you know, infilling those gaps will bring a lot more of that resource that was sort of outside of the category. We think we can bring those into a resource category relatively easy. So that's going to be the objective, is really to tighten up our drill spacing and increase our resource. You know, we're pretty excited about the rapid growth we have in front of us here.
Sounds like it. Sounds like a great story, Gary. Look forward to following it as well. Thanks for your time today. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, there's Gary Thompson, the CEO of Silver 47 Exploration Corp.